Hello everyone, today I'm going to prepare sweet pongal in a pressure cooker. So let's get started. So I'm taking half cup of raw rice, moong dal 1/4 of a cup. Let's wash it and drain the water. So I have washed it and now I'm adding 2 cup of water, half cup of milk, and let's turn on the heat and let's close it. And let it cook for 3 whistles. So that's the third whistle. We can turn off the heat and let the pressure settle down. So let's keep this aside. Adding 2 teaspoons of ghee. Once the ghee is melted, I'm adding cashew nuts and raisins. Once it is fried, we can turn off the heat. Just mash it a little bit. Now turn on the heat on a mild flame. I'm adding jaggery powder, half cup of jaggery, and mix it well. Adding little cardamom powder. And now we can turn off the heat. Our sweet pongal is ready. So there's our sweet pongal, guys. Please give it a try and thanks for watching.